All right, question number 7 here. They give us this graph, this function, and they ask me a handful of questions about it. So remember, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and then this is f of x. So we want to find f of 3. So what I do is I go to the graph here, and I go out to x equals 3, and I find the height of the graph. So we're out at x equals 3. Notice it's down here. So I look over here, and it's -2. So we get -2. Next, we want to find the domain. So remember, the domain is listing all of the x values that fit for this function. Remember, domain is x and range is y. And remember, it goes alphabetically. X before y, D before R. So what is the domain? Well, notice it starts here at -4. I'm going to write it in two ways. -4 less than or equal to x. And then I go all the way out to here, and it's defined all the way out to x equals 3. So less than or equal to 3. The reason I put the equals is because I've got the less than or equals to on each of these. It's because I've got the closed circles. If I had an open circle, then I would do it the other way around. I would not include that equal sign. So this is one way to write it. The other way is to use set notation, and you just put a bracket because of the equal. And you write -4, whoops, and then we go up to 3. And these two things here mean exactly the same thing. So x is from here, and then x is from -4 to 3. So either one of those answers is good. Next, we're going to do the y, which is the range. So notice the low point is here, and then the high point is up here, right there, at that 2. So I need to come over here and say, all right, boom, that's the lowest point. So -2. It does include that -2. So write less than or equal to. And now we're dealing with y's. And then I go all the way up to here. So less than or equal to a +2. The other way to write that would be bracket -2, comma, +2, close bracket. The last question that they give us is, and I'll change over to green, is for what values of x is f less than 0? So less than 0 is negative. So I look over here, it's positive, positive, positive. It's positive, positive, positive. Bam! Right there is where this thing flips to over, and then it becomes negative from here all the way to here. And maybe, you know what I should do? I'm going to go like that, so you can see that it doesn't include that spot where it crosses. So seeing that this hits at a +2 here and a -2 here, it crosses right at 1.5. So that's x equals 1.5. So when I want to list this out, I need to start at the 1.5. I need to go less than. I need to say x, because it asked for what x values. And then I need to go out to 3. And I need to include that 3, because that 3, the value is negative here. Again, at 1.5, it's not negative. The other way to write this would be a parenthesis, right? 1.5, comma, 3, and then close your bracket. So again, either one of those would get you full credit. Hopefully you're feeling good with these two.